Passover and welcome back to my channel. I have a grocery haul for you guys for today. I am doing all my Passover grocery shopping tonight. Well, I hope I am. I really do not want to be going back to the grocery store a million times before Passover begins. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, so I'm getting a bunch of kosher for Passover food tonight and all the stuff I'm gonna need for Seder. As you can see, I already have a lot of like the plates and special things out and about. I also filmed a how to host a Seder video, which I'll link down below with some other Passover videos, so definitely go check them out. And yeah, let's get into it. The first thing I'm going to do is go through my recipe books and figure out what I'm exactly going to make for Seder and make sure I get all the ingredients for that, and just like other Passover dishes I'm gonna need throughout the week, make sure I have everything for that. And yeah, let's get started. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I make videos about being a Jewish mom, motherhood, and minimalism with kids. So definitely hit that like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel to see more. Okay guys, made it to the grocery store. Let's do this. Okay, I'm back from the grocery store. It was awesome. I think I got everything I need, I hope. We spent about $150, which is pretty good because Passover stuff is really expensive. And one other really quick thing, if you don't know what being kosher for Passover means, the very most basic way to explain it is that you don't eat bread. But there's a lot of other stuff that goes into it, like any sort of bread products, corn, wheat, barley. There's just like a whole bunch of bread related stuff. Corn then is also corn syrup, and it can go on and on. It's very confusing, but that's just the basics. Okay, I'll start with a quick overview of everything we got, and then I'll just walk you through it. So basically I got a ton of eggs because you give everyone at the Seder an egg, and then we just eat so many eggs on Passover. It's like such a staple food. They had these roaster pans on sale for 99 cents. So I just stocked up on them. I normally don't use these throwaway tins, but like when I'm hosting a big meal for guests, it's really nice to not have to do a bunch of cleaning while everyone's there. Our kitchen obviously is open to the rest of the house, so it just makes like the cleanup process a little bit easier. So I stocked up on a few of those, and then just got some napkins and little plastic plates for dessert just to help me with all the cleanup and dishes. Then I just got our usual organic milk for my son, organic butter, blueberries, strawberries. These strawberries I'm also going to be using for a salad. The other things I got for the salad are lettuce, tomato, and red onion. And then we got parsley, which is also part of the Seder we'll be putting on everyone's plates. And then I got some kale, which I like to chop up and make with eggs, like little omelets or little egg muffins for my son. We got bananas, we got apples and walnuts, which is what we're going to be using to make haroset for the Seder, which is like a apple walnut mixture basically, usually with red wine, and it's really sweet and delicious. Then other ingredients for the Seder meal is going to be potatoes. I'm going to roast them, onions just for flavoring. Like I said, I got brisket and chicken separately, but I'm going to be making the brisket with ketchup and brown sugar, and then the chicken is going to be like a honey mustard chicken, and the red wine vinegar is going to be for the salad. Then other Seder stuff, we've got the gefilte fish, which is pretty standard. Not my favorite thing, but once a year I'll have a bite. And then of course the horseradish, which I actually do love. It's very strong and spicy, but it's really good. Vegetable broth for like cooking. And then for snacks over Passover, I've got these gluten-free matzo crackers. I got 3 cake mixes because I absolutely love them. They're my favorite thing on Passover. They're not healthy at all, but they're delicious. I got some gluten-free matzah. Oh, sorry, I got some gluten-free matzah and some regular matzah, and I actually have more matzah that I bought last week, so we got tons of matzah. I got some Dr. Brown's because I grew up having these at our Seder, so it's just like a nostalgia thing. And then I got some kosher Passover chocolate that I'm gonna use to melt on matzah as like a sweet dessert treat. You make like caramel and then chocolate. I might do a video on that if I have time. It's a really good dessert. And then just for my son for snacks for the week, bomba, which is his favorite thing ever, and raisins. So yeah, and then like I mentioned, some Passover stuff can be really expensive. So like each of these cake mixes is like, I think it was like $6 or $7, and they don't make a huge cake. It's pretty small. So some of that specialized stuff is just expensive. But yeah, it's only once a year. So yeah, this is everything we got. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you got some ideas about what to serve your family for Passover and what Jewish folks eat on Passover. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more. I'll see you next time. Bye!